everybody, Tim W. Rago here, games, movies, vlogs, how the hell are you? Now, if you all remember my last food experimentation video that I did, it was really good. And, well, I haven't done a food experiment video in a long time, so here's number, I believe this is the 5th one? So yeah, you all remember when I, way back, some months back, when I did my first food experiment, that was with mac and cheese and broccoli, you know, mac and cheese and veggies. Well, now for my next food experiment, it's going to be with mac and cheese again, except here are the 2 new ingredients. You got the side dishes. These are like those little TV dinners, you know. So you got Salisbury steak with mashed potatoes and gravy, and then mushrooms, like my all-time favorite thing to eat with burgers or anything. I'm sorry, I just love mushrooms. So I'll be mixing both of these with mac and cheese. So you look at all that and you're thinking, where are you going with this? Well, like I just said, I'm going to be mixing both of these with this. So, let's get to it, shall we? Now, for those of you who will be new to cooking in 2020, because I know a lot of people know how to make pasta, it's very simple, but for those of you in 2020 who are new to cooking, because I know there's a lot of you out there, I'm looking at you, all you hundreds of people who are new to cooking, what I'm going to be doing is, I'm just looking at the hot water, what I'll be doing for each step is doing a little slideshow showing how to make what I'm going to be making here. So I'll be doing a slideshow of photos here showing each step of how to make this. final ingredient to this is mushrooms, and I can't believe that I did not show me opening the pack and putting them in here so I can put these in the microwave. Now the way to do this is you take a mushroom and you get it rinsed off, because when you take them out, they pull these out of the ground, so there's some dirt on them when you take them out of the package, so you gotta rinse them off. And yeah, see, you can see all that in there, all that brown stuff in there. Yeah, that's the dirt off of those. So yeah, you gotta make sure to rinse all that off. Okay, so now So now we got everything mixed in there. Now let's stir it all up. Always, when it comes to mushrooms, now I can see why Mario and Luigi eat them so much. Because they're good. Okay, well, here we go. We got Salisbury steak mixed with mushrooms and mac and cheese and mashed potatoes and gravy on the Salisbury steak. Okay, so let's see. Let me just take where's a good piece of mushroom here? Okay, well, here we go. Wow. Let me take another bite. Let me take another bite of this. Wow. That is good. Holy shit. That is good. That's really good. Dang. Oh my gosh, that is really good stuff. I would definitely recommend this one. Wow. I would definitely recommend that one.